Characterizing cisplatin-induced chronic kidney disease, insight from a model of myofibroblast transformation in kidney fibroblasts. By Jinu Kim. Cisplatin is a potent chemotherapeutic agent used to treat various types of cancer. However, its use is associated with a nephrotoxic side effect, which can lead to acute kidney injury, AKI, and subsequent chronic kidney disease, CKD. Previous research has primarily focused on AKI caused by cisplatin, while the long-term consequences post-injury have not been thoroughly investigated. Furthermore, a recent clinical study found that most cancer patients face lasting kidney damage after repeated administration of cisplatin, RAC, at low doses. In this study, a model of CKD in kidney fibroblasts induced by RAC was established to mimic clinically relevant conditions. In NRK49F rat kidney fibroblasts, RAC increased the expression of alpha-smooth muscle actin, alpha-SMA, F is equal to 11.564, P less than 0.001, N is equal to 4. And fibronectin proteins, F is equal to 9.846, P is equal to 0.001, N is equal to 4, indicating that RAC triggers the transformation of kidney fibroblasts into myofibroblasts. RAC also resulted in an increase in cell size, including the attachment surface area, F is equal to 29.303, P less than 0.001, N is equal to 4, nuclear area, F is equal to 541.880, P 0.001, N is equal to 4, and cell volume, H is equal to 14.118, P is equal to 0.003, N is equal to 4. Moreover, RAC induced the expression of P21, F is equal to 6.457, P is equal to 0.008, N is equal to 4, and the activity of senescence-associated beta-galactosidase, F is equal to 496.935, P less than 0.001, N is equal to 4. Suggesting that kidney fibroblasts exposed to RAC acquire a senescent phenotype. Inhibition of P21 reduced cellular senescence, senescence-associated beta-galactosidase. F is equal to 112.567, P 0.001, N is equal to 4, hypertrophy, attachment surface area, F is equal to 134.557, P less than 0.001, N is equal to 4. And myofibroblast transformation, alpha-SMA, F is equal to 34.633, P is equal to 0.004, N is equal to 4, induced by RAC. Interestingly, following RAC, kidney fibroblasts were arrested at the G2M phase, interaction between cisplatin and cell cycle, F is equal to 49.164, P less than 0.001, N is equal to 5. Repeated treatment with paclitaxel, which is known to induce G2M arrest, interaction between paclitaxel and cell cycle, F is equal to 99.768, P 0.001, N is equal to 4. Upregulated alpha-SMA, F is equal to 7.293, P is equal to 0.036, N is equal to 4, and fibronectin, F is equal to 11.762, P is equal to 0.014, N is equal to 4, in kidney fibroblasts. In summary, these findings suggest that RAC induces the transformation of kidney fibroblasts into myofibroblasts through G2M arrest and cellular senescence. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.